Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today we are going to make vegetable fried rice. To make this veg fried rice, we need I have taken 1 bowl of boiled rice. You can take the leftover rice also. I have chopped 1 carrot here, finely chopped them. Spring onion white, spring onion green, little bit of cabbage, little bit of capsicum. I have also used corn here, sweet corn, as I love sweet corn. Here I've taken few French beans, little bit of ginger and garlic chopped. This gives a lovely flavor to this recipe. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, and this is 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Oil, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of oil. Salt as per our taste. I'm using light soya sauce, friends, so I'll be using more salt. If you use dark soya sauce, that will give more color to the recipe. Here I have taken little bit of black pepper powder, and in this there's little bit of sugar, just a pinch of sugar. Friends, cabbage and corn, they are optional. If you want to add, you can add. If you don't want to add, it will be fine without that. So now let's get started. So here friends, first we will heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan or a karhai. Oil is already heated. I'll reduce the flame to medium, and then I will add the chopped ginger and garlic. Now we will add the spring onion white. Friends, if you don't have spring onion, you can also use plain onion, the normal onion that we use at home. Just fry it for 30 seconds. After frying it for 30 seconds, we will add the carrot, the French beans, and we will cook this for 2 minutes in this oil. Friends, after frying it for 2 minutes over a high flame, I will add the capsicum, cabbage, and the corn now. We prepare this recipe over high flame, friends. So after you add the recipe, put the flame high and then just saute it. The vegetables should be nice and crunchy. So now I will saute it for another 1 minute. Now after sauteing it for 1 minute, I will add the rice now. One bowl of rice. I will add the white vinegar now. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. The sugar and the black pepper powder I'll add now. And salt, little bit friends, as I have already added soya sauce. I'm using the light soya sauce. And now I will saute it for another 30 seconds. After sauteing it for 30 seconds over a high flame, I will add the spring onion green. I will not add all the spring onion green. I'll leave little bit for garnishing. And then I will mix this and cook for another 30 seconds. Here is our vegetable fried rice ready. I will reduce the flame and now transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our yummy veg fried rice ready. Very easy recipe, friends, and this can be made in minutes. So do try this recipe out, friends. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.